How to set up calendar widget on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. In here, scroll down and tap on calendar. So expand the Samsung calendar widget. In here, there are 4 different sections. We've got countdown, month widget, you got the today's widget and upcoming events. For the month widget, it will show a full month calendar grid, and for the agenda widget, it will show upcoming events in a list, and for today, it will display today's schedule only. Okay, so you can choose the different type of widget. Here I will select a month widget and I will drag it to my home screen. Here I will drag, touch and hold and drag it to your home screen. Now you can see at the top here on each of the corner there is a handle. You can drag on the handle to enlarge or make it smaller. So here I will enlarge the calendar and then tap anywhere here to save the changes. To customize your widget, touch and hold, then tap on settings, and in here you can choose what calendar to display. So you can select same as app. You can select custom so that it will only display certain calendars. So here I have a bunch of different calendars shown on my widget. So you can choose which calendar to display. Now go back here, you can choose to show handwriting or not. So at the top here there is a handwriting icon, so you can toggle on or off for that option. Here you can choose to turn on background or turn it off. Okay, so if I turn it on, I can change the color, light, I can select dark, I can match with the font setting, and scroll further down, I can also change the transparency of the calendar. Okay, and then tap on save. So that is a monthly calendar widget. Now I can also add in other widgets as well. So if I go down, I can choose a birthday countdown and then tap on add. Here I can touch and hold and tap on settings, and from here I can set the start from 1 when to count down from. You can choose a default image or a custom image, and here you can choose a different widget shape for this particular one. Okay, and then here you can choose start from 1, or you can select an event and then tap on save. Next, we've got the different widgets. The calendar, we're going to select today widget. So here I can select that and then tap on add, and that will show. So I will make it dark as well, it's just easier to see. Dark, and here we tap on save. So that's today widget. So those are the different widgets that you can choose to display on your home screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.